This one is getting a new quarter panel. I have a Lexus here. This one is getting a new quarter panel. It got hit all in this area, completely destroyed it. Also down here, all in that area. This is how the new quarter panel comes. It'll get sectioned in right about here and right up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on here, and I got it lining up with the door pretty good. Right now I have it overlapping the original part of the car just by about an inch or so. So I'm gonna scribe this. Then I'll go ahead and lift this panel back off. So I have this quarter panel all fit up on this Lexus. My taillight and rear gaps, trunk lid gaps all look very nice and even, as well as my door gap. So this quarter panel is ready to go on permanently now. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it back off because it gets glue right throughout this area, panel bond adhesive. I'll lay that out and then I'll put it on permanently at that point. So this is a new door for that Lexus. Actually, the new right front door. It had some minor damage on the right side as well. And I am taping it off to seam seal this seam that goes all the way around where the door skin wraps around the door shell. Some manufacturers will do this at the factory. Toyota does not, so we have to do it in the shop.